Awareness regarding physical and mental well-being is growing the wellness industry at a compounded rate of 9.93%. Hello, my name is Nyoto Loving, and I am the founder of Eccleswood Villa. I am building a boutique villa and retreat center in Portland, Jamaica. I am recording this to introduce myself as well as my project to you all. Just a little bit about myself before we get started on the project. I am a MBA recipient, and my professional career spans through crypto, grocery, communications, and the tea industry. Usually I do operations, so all the behind the scene works that make things work. Okay, so now you get to learn more about the project. Please enjoy the following explainer video.
It's time to join the Eccleswood family. We're building an exclusive community that will bring together like-minded people who are passionate about nature, relaxation, and good food. You'll be a part of a movement to create something beautiful on a piece of land in rural Jamaica. And if you choose to become a member, you'll be helping us reach our goal of crowdfunding $1 million to complete this project. When we succeed, you'll be able to book a stay at the villa, host an event, or just hang out with your friends and feel relaxed as you are surrounded by nature. It's all about being connected to what matters most: nature, relaxation, and good food.